Hey guys, welcome back to my new unboxing video. In this video, I will do unboxing of Redmi 10, which is also known as Redmi 10 Prime in India. Priced at 599 AED, which is like 12,000 Indian currency and $160. This is Xiaomi's latest budget smartphone. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. You see all the three colors on the front of the box: carbon grey, pebble white and sea blue. This is the global variant with Google Apps installed. You also get Mi True Wireless earbuds free with the smartphone in UAE, which is great. This is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant. Let's unbox it. This is the smartphone. Looks quite cool. Some of its main features are 50 megapixel camera, dual speakers, 90Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery and MediaTek Helio G88 processor. Let's keep the smartphone aside and see what's inside the box. You get a 22.5 watt charger. I'm not sure why they opted for this odd number. A USB type A to C cable, mandatory SIM ejection tool, some mandatory paperwork, and an average quality TPU case. So that's all what you get inside the box. Now let's see the smartphone itself and boot it up for the first time. In terms of design, it's an impressive looking smartphone. The sea blue color looks good with dark to light shade. The body is made out of plastic. On the side you get a volume up and down buttons with power button. The power button is also a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom you have main microphone, speaker grill and USB Type-C port. On the top there is 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker, IR blaster and secondary microphone. On the left side you have the SIM tray. It supports dual SIM card and a micro SD card, which is a bonus. Setup is complete now. Let's increase the brightness and see the display quality. It has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 405 ppi. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 support. The quality of display is just about average. Also, it doesn't get very bright, so the sunlight visibility will not be great on this smartphone. The fingerprint scanner speed is okay. It takes a second to unlock the smartphone. And same goes for the face unlock. It's not so fast but gets the job done. In terms of the processor, it has a Helio G88 processor, which is a mid-range processor and is good for basic day-to-day tasks. But you will notice small lag here and there. In terms of gaming, it performs decent and the Call of Duty runs smoothly without much hiccups on this smartphone. You will definitely notice occasional frame drops, but overall the games played well. One thing to note here is the smartphone gets slightly hot while playing games.
Enemy contact! Rockets inside! Enemy contact! Enemy contact! Tango down!
In terms of sound quality, I was quite impressed. It has dual speakers and they perform well for its budget price. Good for media consumption. Now let's talk about its camera. It has a quad camera setup at the rear, a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It can't shoot 4K videos, it can maximum shoot 1080p 30 frame per second videos from both rear and the front cameras. Let's see some sample images and videos shot from this smartphone. The daytime pictures came out decent most of the time, but lacks details and sharpness on some occasions. The colors were a bit off also, but for this price it's still a great offering by Xiaomi. This is 1080p 30 frame per second video recording from Xiaomi Redmi 10. Beautiful replica of Ferrari. So overall, is it the new budget king? Well, yes and no. because it ticks most of the boxes, but if your expectations are high, you will be slightly disappointed. I would say that this is jack of all and master of none. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Soon I'll be uploading a new video of Redmi 10 versus iPhone XR camera comparison. Stay tuned to watch that. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then,